What's going on? So today we got a video from Unspoken Crime Murders, and the title of it is Alcoholic Mother Drinks Entire Bottle of Vodka and Forgets to Pick Up Her Kids from School. Oh man, that's crazy. She was having a good old time when the kids were away. Let's get into it.
Okay. Do you have a son named Jason or Colton? Yeah. Is someone supposed to pick him up from school today? How much have you had to drink today? Stop. 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 Don't. You're intoxicated. You're in control of the child. And there's nobody else here. Okay, stop. Hey, listen. Stop.
On March 21st, 2024, an officer received an alarming call from a local elementary school, reporting that a mother had forgotten to pick up her son. When the school principal called the mother in question, they heard loud music in the background, and it appeared the mother was intoxicated as she was slurring many of her words while on the phone with the principal. When the officer arrived, the school staff stated that they had been trying to get the mother to pick up her child for 4 hours. They had attempted to call the mother over 20 times before finally contacting the local police.
I'll just get your information real quick.
4 hours? Come on, that's crazy, man. Yo, them teachers getting overtime today, you hear me?
And then we've already contacted DHS. So they're going to be.
Is a father, and we can step in my office.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
There she is. Hi, Miss Calendar.
Hey.
Why is there Belisa?
It's just kind of
Not
like.
anybody that we know of. There's not anybody else in the system.
Okay.
Like I said, the neighbor is listed in there. When I spoke to dispatch, there are, okay, in the past, like as in like just a couple months ago, there were nannies, like teenagers, like 17, 18-year-olds who were very consistently babysitting them. Obviously, I don't know that it was overnight or any of those kinds of things, but I do know that there's that relationship.
The officer was attempting to see if the child had any relatives on record who could take care of him. When the school staff stated there were no relatives on record, the officer decided to visit the mother's home to get to the bottom of the situation.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, I want to introduce you to somebody. This is Officer. Whoop, hang on right here.
Hey, buddy.
This is Officer.
Hi.
He
How are
is
you
going
doing?
to take you to be with Sawyer. Mama's not feeling very good, so he's getting Mama checked out, okay?
Okay.
But he's going to take you to hang out with Sawyer for a little while, okay?
You want to ride in my car?
Oh, that's fancy.
No.
You get to ride
You don't
want to
ride in it?
No.
What do you mean? I like that shirt.
Wait, why do I?
Why do you what?
He's going to take you to
Why do-
Sawyer.
Yeah, I'm going to take you over to see Sawyer because your mom's not feeling too good, so we had to get her checked out, okay?
Okay.
All right, you go. Charlie 302.
You know what it is? I love when like officers and like, you know, the teachers or the adults don't let the child all the way in on what's going on. They kind of keep it a secret. There was a video I posted where a mother was stealing from Target with her son, and the female officer like talked to the kid like he like she gave him everything and told him everything. And I was like, yo, I don't like that. You know what I'm saying? Keep the kids out of it. You know what I mean? Yeah, that they're doing a good job right here, man. It's a nice house, though.
How big? What kind of dog you got?
That was a big bark.
Where's your dog at?
Hey, Joy.
Hi there.
Hey, you're okay?
Everything's okay.
You're okay.
Do you have a son named Jason or Colton? Yeah? Do you have a son named?
I do.
Okay. Is someone supposed to pick him up from school today?
Yeah.
Okay, who's supposed to pick him
She
up from school?
doesn't know time right now.
Okay.
She doesn't know time.
Okay.
Do you know what time it is?
Yeah.
So who's supposed to pick your kid up?
Are you serious?
I'm dead
Yeah.
serious. They're calling us.
Okay.
It's 4:41. Of course I will.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
Nothing.
Nothing? Nothing at all.
Nothing at all.
Okay. Even though I could smell it on you. Is there another adult here in this house?
Are you kidding me?
Ma'am, I wouldn't be asking these questions if I was kidding. I've been here before for this exact same issue.
No.
Yes, I have.
And no.
Okay.
I have not been drinking today.
Well, no. You're not getting in the car until we do some field sobriety tests, okay?
Oh my God. No.
Okay. Hey. Stop walking around.
No.
All right.
You guys are
Stop.
doing this.
Stop.
Don't.
You're intoxicated. You're in control of the child, and there's nobody else here. Okay. Stop.
Hey, listen.
Stop. Sit down. Just sit down in the chair.
Don't talk to me.
Sit down in the chair.
It's okay.
Sit down in the chair. Give me your hand. Give me your other hand now.
Are you kidding
Yep.
She's okay. It's okay.
Don't pull away from me. You'll be in a lot of trouble. Stop. Hand behind your back right now. Get your other hand behind your back right now. Put your hand behind your back right now. Put your hand behind your back right now. Put your hand behind your back right now. Do it now. You're not listening to what I'm telling you to do.
It's 4:41.
You had to go look at the clock to tell me the time, man.
How dare you?
I guess the good thing she can't speak.
And this is the second time I've dealt with you in this condition.
How dare you? You got a 5-year-old kid crying because you don't know how to take care of yourself. That's embarrassing. Yes. Are you serious? That's the question. Are you serious? Have a seat. Yes, you're gonna have a seat. We're not gonna play these games.
Yeah.
Come back.
Last time what happened, we were able to get hold of Dad.
That there's a PO in place. So
I know.
we might have to have DHS involved on this
That's what
one.
I'm thinking.
Ask for a rapid response would be my guess.
Let me do some investigating on that PO.
Okay.
Kids, no. You smell it. Hey, so here's the deal.
PO meaning protective order. If some of you guys didn't know that.
Okay? Do you have family members nearby?
No.
Okay. No
Look at her
family all.
legs. Oh my god.
Okay. Okay, well, DHS is on the way out here.
Great.
Okay. They're gonna talk to you briefly. Okay. And then, likely, you're probably gonna go to jail for child neglect with me today. Okay. Depending on,
Why?
because your current condition,
What's wrong with my condition?
you're intoxicated.
I am not.
Okay. That, you can say that all you want, but,
I am not intoxicated.
okay. No. My car reeks of alcohol and you're inside my car.
Absolutely not. And I can blow.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I'll blow.
You want to blow? Okay.
No.
No, stay seated. Stay seated. He'll come bring it to you.
Don't.
Don't what?
Get me out of these handcuffs.
No, you tried to get in your car earlier and drive off, and that's not, no, we can't do that. And then instead of listening to me, you tried to get away from me, and that's not okay.
No, you're
Just imagine, these are the things that we're seeing on camera, right? The condition that we see his mother in on the camera. Imagine the condition the child has seen his mother in prior. And the fact that there's like a protective order or whatever, like with the father, I mean, I don't know if that's from her or the child or whatever, but like, man, I feel bad for this kid. He's definitely gonna remember a lot of these key moments when he gets older, you know, into his life, man, because he's growing up and it looks like not that great of a household. You know, the house looks nice, but his parent, you know, junkie, you know what I'm saying? She's spiraling. She's spiraling out of control, man.
very offensive.
Okay.
Yeah, you're being offensive.
Okay.
Don't be a jerk.
I'm not trying to be offensive, and I'm not trying to be a jerk. I'm just giving you the facts, ma'am. Everything
No,
that I've
you're
observed.
not.
Okay.
My child was at school 11 minutes later. No, I'm not gonna blow.
Not gonna blow now. Imagine.
No,
You don't
Okay.
want to see? I thought you were intoxicated. This will show if you're intoxicated.
no. What do you guys think you're doing?
Taking you to jail
Yeah.
for child neglect. That's what we're doing.
Are you kidding me?
I'm dead serious.
Or being out. I mean, he was at school 11 minutes later. 11 minutes. What's wrong with you people?
You didn't even.
With you.
You didn't even know what time it was.
I do know what time it was. 11 minutes.
You had to go look at the clock to tell me what time it was. Okay? So chill in there for a little bit.
A children's caseworker arrived to get to the bottom of the situation and hear the mother's side of the story. The mother would admit to drinking an entire bottle of vodka just after dropping her kids off at school in the morning.
I don't know how to describe it. Wired up. I don't know.
I'm wired. I'm mad.
Yeah? What are you mad at?
I'm mad at this whole situation.
Okay.
I didn't pick my kid up from school.
Okay.
It's 4:11.
Which kid did you not pick up?
Jackson.
Okay.
But he didn't walk home.
You said it was 4:11?
It's 4:11. And he can walk home. He's a walker.
Does he usually walk home?
Yes. Don't say that. I'm an alcoholic. Like I own it.
You ever got any help for that?
Yes.
Okay.
Many times.
Okay, I'm just checking it.
What about your neighbor,
Miss Margaret here.
where your kids are frequently? Is that okay, or is that not okay?
It's not okay. Because she's the one that did this.
No. She didn't.
Yes.
You did
The
this.
school called us. She did not call us. I had to go over there and ask her for help. She did not call.
4:11.
I don't know where you...
11.
Not correct. At all. Not correct. It was...
He's a walker.
Well, they didn't let him walk because he doesn't usually walk. Otherwise, they would have let him walk.
Do you think you think your kids want to live without you? That's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to get you help and get them in a safe place for the time being, okay? We don't want to take your kids. All right? That's the last thing we want to do. You're their mother. They know you. They love you. You love them, right?
So the school called.
Yes.
This is what happened.
Yeah.
This is what's happening.
Yes.
Because the school called.
And you have made
And
some...
Miss Cooper, Miss Archer, Miss Haley.
That's because you didn't make very good decisions today, let's be honest. That's why this is happening, okay?
They're therapist. They're principal. This is what you guys are doing. Call
You
their
can't...
therapist.
You can't blame
Call
this
their
on them.
principal.
You can't blame this on them. They didn't put you in this condition and tell you to do what you did.
I done.
Middle name for
Okay.
or could it be Elizabeth?
The mother was taken to the local jail, and the children were placed with a trustworthy neighbor who happened to be a teacher at the school. The mother had ample time to reflect on her poor choices while in jail. She was charged with neglect and sentenced to 2 years of probation. No drinks for her anytime soon.
It's actually pretty sad to see her in that condition. She admits that she's an alcoholic. You know, so many people grow up with parents who have addictions, and I'm telling you, like, the kids will remember this when they get older. And it's hopefully, you know, she could get the help that she needs, and hopefully the father can get back whatever is going on with that situation, because especially boys need their daddy, you know what I mean? So crazy situation.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.